So I want to give you all an idea of how you can maximize your current income using Claude. Although I am a generate more or increase your income type of guy, I still go back and look at my expenses. Now, I know that it looks like, or it appears that everybody on social media is making a lot of money, and a lot of us are. But one of the most important things that I have found and I have been using Claude for is to analyze my finances. I don't care how much money I make or how much money anyone makes. How much you spend matters. And I've done previous videos where I've talked about I was able to reduce expenses by generating my own version of QuickBooks, creating my own CRM. So I'm just going to give you an example of how you can do the same thing, and you'll actually learn a lot about yourself, a lot more than you think you know. So let's check it out. So I asked Claude to look at how much I've spent on DoorDash in the past 30 days. And I did this by just dropping in things I was buying off of DoorDash. Okay. It's really simple, right? Most people are still stuck in what's the prompt. This thing has evolved past prompts. If you're still stuck on what are the prompts, you are horse and buggy driving type of person, and we are in a flying car. So I just took screenshots of DoorDash, all of them for the last 30 days, just screenshots. Okay. And all I said was calculate how much I spent over the last 30 days. Simple. It doesn't have to be that complicated. Now, you don't have to use DoorDash screenshots. If you have an iPhone, right? You got an iPhone, you can, and you use the actual digital wallet there, you can take screenshots of the spending and just drop it in. Whether you're on the mobile app or on the desktop, it doesn't matter. Okay. Now you can use this for also through your bank statements, right? I would obviously block out sensitive information, scratch it out, blur it out, delete it, however you want to do it, and drop it in and have it analyze even your expenses from your bank account. So what it calculated was that over the last 30 days, I have spent $1,700 to $1,800 on DoorDash in the last 30 days. Okay. And that is roughly $19,000 to $20,000 a year. Okay. Now that is a lot, and again, I don't care how much money I make. $20,000 a year on DoorDash, that's a lot, even though I am a increase your income type of person. Forget, pay attention to the expenses, but don't let the expenses hold you down. Still live your life and increase your income, but still knowing that I'm spending $20,000 on DoorDash a year. When I can reduce this, right, I can obviously go spend $300, $350, $400 at the grocery store and be good for 2 to 3 weeks. And I can cut this in half or in thirds and eat technically better food. Although I have a low body fat percentage, I exercise regularly every day, sometimes twice a day because I do martial arts. I still have a goal in mind that I want to get in a lot better shape and get into single digit body fat, but I can't do this ordering DoorDash. Right. So this is even a wake up call on that side. But also this is, an extra 20 G's a year that I could put into the stock market, or, an extra $1,700 to $2,000 a month. I mean, that's a first class ticket somewhere. Right. So I'm just showing you another way to use this thing, and not just in business, but even personally. And, when I assist business owners with increasing productivity and turning things into automation in their businesses, the first thing I always tell them is, let's reduce the expenses. Okay. What are you paying for that we can create? You got a CRM? Let's copy it. Let's copy it. Now, we're not selling it. It's not illegal, but whatever the name is of your CRM, type it in, pull it up. We're going to have Claude analyze it, and we're going to copy it, and we're going to connect everything that you already have to that CRM, and we're going to create a new one. Therefore, you're not paying for the CRM anymore. You're paying for Claude, and you have your own custom built CRM just for your business, and you no longer have to pay that monthly fee, right? That's just an example of how to properly use this thing. And once you understand that, then you can make better choices, right? Like I said, this is a wake up call. I mean, it's only 20,000. And again, I don't want to sound arrogant, but I'm also looking at what I have been eating over the previous 30 days too, right? So it's like a double-edged sword there. Definitely eye-opening on both sides. Okay. So you can use something like this to maximize your income. Now, I wouldn't connect, and you can, in a way, connect your bank account to Claude and have it actually track your expenses live. I wouldn't do that, but it's possible. You know, you can connect your PayPal, you know, Stripe. There's a bunch of different ways that you can, your Cash App can connect directly to these things. And again, I would stay away from that. You may end up by accidentally, you know, you're watching a YouTube video and somebody's like, hey, here's the prompt. And now you got a prompt injection. And now that prompt is running through your bank account and you didn't even know it. So, and again, a prompt injection is almost like a virus. Look at it like a virus, right? Somebody prompt injects you, you copy and paste a prompt, and now your Claude is sending out all your information. Okay, that's actually a thing. But anyway, I just wanted to just give you all this idea because, you know, this is how I use Claude regularly. I don't prompt. I tell it what I need. I said I just had an idea like, hey, how much am I spending on DoorDash every month? Drop the screenshots in because it can read the screenshots, and boom, there's the answer. You're spending $20,000 a year, $1,700 to $1,800 a month. Right. So anyway, I hope this is something that helps, something that you can actually use right now today. Even if you have the free version of Claude, I'm pretty sure that this will work. But anyway, I appreciate you all watching and stay tuned for the next one.